Hi guys, welcome back to Heartfelt Designs.
And today we are going to be opening Michael's $5 mystery boxes. We got 4 of them. We've got Wilhelmina, Mom, Emma, and me, Megan. And we're going to open them.
I have been waiting for months to grab these boxes. We talked to the Michael's employees right before the quarantine happened. They said that they would be ready after Easter. Easter came and gone. And I happened to call over the weekend and they're like, oh, it should be in a few days, check in a few days. So I went on Monday and I was so excited to see boxes and boxes and boxes. I was a little sad that the spring stuff was still on the shelves. It was like 70% off. So most of this, I believe, is Easter stuff, or else I would have gotten a ton more boxes. I tried to look, I guess feel for the heavier ones because I didn't want Easter baskets. I could peek in a little bit. They don't really want you peeking. But I could see, I saw grass in some. I saw like the Easter baskets. I saw Peeps in one of them. I was like, no, I definitely don't want Peeps. So I am very interested to see what is in these boxes. So let's get started.
So this is our first Michael's box, and we're going to open it and go through it and then show you what we got. Open it.
Use those muscles. Whoa! I already see something Wilhelmina would love. What's right there?
Whoa!
A squishy?
It sticks out its tongue!
Whoa!
What are these?
Oh my gosh, look at these!
Wilhelmina, you got some frozen.
Awesome. Definitely. Ooh, that's pretty. Can I see that basket? This is beautiful.
Awesome. Mom.
Oh my goodness, how many of them are there?
1, 2, 3. There's 6.
There's 6 of them? Oh, just enough for the family.
So, in this box, we got some plastic egg things, sparkly ones and metallic.
And these ones too.
Oh,
What
and
we
like
can do with those?
shiny ones.
We got SpongeBob, Krabby Patty, candy, eggs.
Those are the OG things. Remember when we were little and we just
Yeah,
ate the whole thing
yeah.
and we'd take them apart?
I love that.
Best candy. We've got
You don't like them?
No, I don't really like them.
They're really good.
Definitely not.
loads of Easter grass. I'm gonna guess that there's gonna be so much more Easter grass in these boxes.
Yeah, I think so too.
And then there's these like cool, they're like little animals, and then when you squeeze them, their tongue sticks out, and they make noise, they squeak.
Squeeze it? Squeeze it.
Well, Nina, show them what you got. Come
the
closer. You
camera.
gotta come closer.
I got candy and I got Elsa candy and I can eat it.
Yes. Also got some very pretty Easter ribbon. Some plaid. And these cute little Easter eggs. And I love this.
That's my favorite one.
Oh, there's another one. I lost this one.
And then it came,
Let me see this one.
Yes, we're going to open that box too.
and then also it came with a Easter basket. And so we're gonna try one of these Krabby Patties, and we're gonna taste test them. You wanna open them?
The best way to eat one of these is where you take, well, this is
You
how I used
take
to do
every
when I was a
single
kid.
one apart.
So you take them apart, but then I make sure the Krabby Patty, like, it's cute. So I got a green one.
The purple
Then
one.
Usually you eat the bun.
Yeah, and then you make the middle part.
My childhood.
Yes.
Alrighty, so we've got our second box.
So we just emptied this other box and these little cuties, I am not sure what they are. They look like they clip on stuff, but I got a bunny and a fox and an owl.
They were supposed to be $20.
And
Look.
Yeah, $20.
Oh my gosh.
These two, these are cute little llamas.
Oh.
The little llamas sing.
And we got these. This is mommy.
Oh, and
Oh
I'm
my
got
gosh,
cute
that's so cute.
more decorations to put around the house at Easter time. This is adorable. So is this. There you go.
It's got lots of sparkly eggs.
Yes. Was there
Another
one?
Easter wreath.
Yeah.
Just these eggs. There's $36 for these 6 eggs.
Wow.
And the whole box is
Those are really, really
Here,
pretty.
you can have
And these cute little guys are little ornaments. I see. These are just Easter eggs in a nest. I love this one. This one says he is risen.
a lot more grass.
We got
We have
these.
pink, blue, and green grass.
This you could totally make on your own.
These
You
are
could totally do a
eggs.
DIY. Got some more ribbon and burlap.
Daddy, he's Peggy.
He's a piggy? It looks like a bunny.
I think mine's
know.
a piggy.
He's
And the
right
last
here.
thing is this
Zachary
chocolate. You should
Easter
try 'em.
bunny eggs.
We're gonna try them for you.
No.
Oh, they smell good.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Can you try them?
Mom, can we try them?
Sure, you try one.
Are they hollow? Okay, 3.
Marshmallow.
Ooh, they're soft.
They're
Oh, they're
marshmallow eggs.
Okay, 3,
Ready?
2, 1. Wow.
Look inside of it. These are good.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
I like them.
One. Open.
So now we're opening our third box, which is the bigger one. Whoa.
Mommy!
Whoa.
Ooh, looks like
Guys, there's so much grass, Mom. Look at all this grass. Here, I'll take the grass.
Yes, it's like pretty.
So guys, we got a lot of grass.
I thought maybe there wasn't going to be good stuff in this box. Not saying that it isn't good, but I knew that the way that it felt light, that there was going to be a lot of maybe the same stuff. I don't know. I kind of had a feeling this box wasn't going to be as fun as those other ones.
Look at you.
that.
No, they're goodie bags. Here,
They're
you can have
goodie
one.
bags. And they have little twist ties in the back.
So we got some
Wow.
bunny popsicle molds, or whatever molds.
And we got tons and tons of
Easter eggs. There's a lot in this one.
A lot of different textures too. These ones are like
Those ones are really pretty. These ones are metallic.
glitter metallic, you know.
Glitter. These ones are my favorite, I think. They're half gold, half a color.
Just fell on my
Oh, I
face.
just got glitter all over.
The egg
Oh,
just
boy.
fell on my face, Mom.
Oh boy.
That was-
Glitter, glitter, glitter.
That was funny.
Oh, and the highlight of the box.
Oh my.
Right, these are the highlight.
Yes.
Grassy.
They are grassy.
Looks like an
I
Into the Woods
can
basket.
definitely do something cute for next year with
Oops.
the little
How
styrofoam
much were
stuff and flowers and eggs coming out of
These
it.
were $30.
$60 right there. That's already 3 times as much as you paid for all the
Should
boxes
we put
combined
those in the other
in these
box?
2 baskets.
These two.
Alright, so we've got our last bag
Yes,
box.
got a last
Got our last
bag.
box, which is the largest. 3, 2,
1.
1.
Open.
Woo!
Ready? Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, how cute is that?
Oh, cute. Can we like go in your
I don't know if you guys can
Give me
see this. It's too tall, but
It is very tall, but
Ooh,
it's
it's
so
pointy.
I thought this was just a little sign. Sorry, Mommy. Oh, it's another bunny in a pot.
Those are pretty. Oh, cute.
Aww, there's 2 of them. Oh, I just put that in the
We got some more cheese.
This is the way Mommy got this for Easter Bunny and forgot this for Easter Bunny.
Hold it up higher, because I don't know if they can see it.
And I don't know if Mommy can make these and we're gonna make them and there's like one of these and we're
Another
gonna make
ornament.
them and
Yeah, what else did we get
Mom,
ribbon?
look at my piece. Now we got this lamp that is so soft.
Good.
And it's so soft and
So we are back with our statistics and our favorite items plus a few
Yes, and
honorable
I
mentions.
have
So in box 1, of course, we loved the
Mom,
plates.
you gotta get in.
This was our favorite. I would love to figure out how to make it so that we could eat off of these, but I think these can go underneath
Other
plates when
They can be like now.
we eat. Yep. Yep. So I figured that that's how we could do that. And then of course with deviled eggs or something. This is our honorable mention for box 1.
Box 1 came out to a total of $131. So box 1 was 26.2 more times worth than we paid for. And that was our, what, second favorite box?
I think that was our second favorite box.
Okay.
Of course, box 2 was our favorite box. Show everyone what was our favorite in box 2.
We got this.
We got this cute little lamb. Was that our favorite? And then our honorable mention was this little picture of the bunny.
Box number 2 was our favorite. It had a lot of good stuff for crafting, and it was actually the most expensive box by $43. Box number 2 was worth $240, and it was 48 times more than what Mom paid for the box, which is crazy.
So cool. I'm so excited about all this.
It was so you gained $235 worth of stuff from box number 2.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Honorable
Number
mention.
3 was kind of sad.
Well, we'll
Um,
leave
A whole bunch of
I was
eggs.
trying to get different, different size boxes, and
This is kind of an honorable
I
mention.
like that one.
I
We'll
think
leave
so
this one.
too.
Yeah.
Our favorite, of course, were the 2 baskets that look like this. I cannot wait to do something big.
$30 each, so we had $60 worth of baskets. Yeah, they were
Yeah.
really expensive baskets.
Yep. And then our honorable mention was those cute little chocolate molds.
Popsicle, popsicle molds.
Or whatever they
They
are.
could be chocolate molds too, like on a popsicle stick.
Yeah, that's why I said that.
So box number 3 was our least favorite, but it was the third highest costing, or third highest profitable box. So box number 1 was the least, but box number 3 was worth $181, which is 36.2 times more than what we paid for, and it gave us some interesting stuff.
It did. I do like the eggs.
Eggs.
Because I have made wreaths in the past with Easter eggs, and I can definitely do something with those. Even if I did like a cute little arrangement in the baskets, I'll definitely get my money's worth with them.
Yeah. And then our last box had an honorable mention and our favorite, which
Was
this
the
is our favorite item of
lamb.
all.
Yes. Oh, it's so soft,
I
guys.
know.
I love it.
And then our honorable mention was this really cute Easter sign. We got 2 of these, and they were worth $20 each. So we got our money's worth with that.
Our
So
favorite
box number
basket.
4 was our third favorite and our second highest profitable box, worth $197 and 39.4 times more than what we paid for. And then when you add everything up, so we paid $20 for everything here. And drum roll please, it was worth
Oh, but
$749 worth of stuff for $20, which is 37.45 times more than what you paid for. That's insane.
yeah.
So these boxes, even though they were Easter themed, it was pretty successful.
I would say definitely pretty successful.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
I want to do it with Christmas stuff.
I would totally
Yes.
do it again. Alright, so that was our haul for Michael's. I am so excited with the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed. Get to Michael's this week to see if there are any more boxes left. I know that on Monday when I went, there was at least 40 boxes left in the store.
Wow.
Yeah.
Make sure to go follow Heartfelt Designs on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All of that will be linked down below. And we'll see you on the next vlog.
Yes. Thank you so much. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.